How to use a screen reader on your phone. Using a screen reader to navigate a device can be useful to anyone who's visually impaired. Here's how to use this feature on your iPhone or Android handset. iPhone's screen reader is called Voiceover. To access this, go to Settings, General, then Accessibility. Voiceover is the first option on the list, but we'd recommend you scroll and select Accessibility Shortcut. Make sure there's a tick next to Voiceover. Triple-click the Home button to use this shortcut to turn on Voiceover.
Voiceover on.
Then you can navigate around the screen by swiping left or right.
Calendar. Photos.
Voiceover will alert you to the app you've selected, and you can double-tap anywhere on the screen to open an app. Voiceover can be switched off again by triple-clicking the Home button. You can also adjust Voiceover settings, like the volume, using a gesture called rotor. Twist your thumb and forefinger on the screen as if you were turning an imaginary dial.
Speaking rate.
Twist multiple times until you reach the setting you want. You can then adjust the setting by flicking upwards or downwards.
60%.
Most Android smartphones also have a screen reader feature. Each Android device might be slightly different, but here we're using a Samsung A5. Go to Apps, Settings, Accessibility, then Vision. Select Voice Assistant and turn it on.
Voice Assistant on. Home screen, page 1 of 3 default page.
Swipe left and right to navigate and double tap to select.
Apps button, double tap to open app tray.
You can adjust Voiceover settings by doing a 3-finger swipe from left to right. Once you've found the setting you're after, you can swipe up and down to make changes.
Speech rate 40%, 45%, 50%.
Screen readers are a useful feature, but they may take a bit of time to get used to. That's an introduction to using screen readers on your iPhone or Android device.